Eko Atlantic is being built by South Energex, a subsidiary of the Chagri Group Construction in Nigeria.
What you are looking at right now used to be the Eko Atlantic Ocean. Today, it is one of the Africa's most ambitious urban development projects. Welcome to Eko Atlantic City, Nigeria's future financial hub, rising directly beside Lagos. From billion-dollar residential towers to a new U.S. embassy complex to luxury developments like luxury periwinkle towers and massive infrastructure upgrade, including new bridges and road network. This is not just construction, this is a city being built from scratch. And today we are giving you a full 2026 update. Now, Eko Atlantic was created as a solution to coastal erosion threatening Victoria Island. The Atlantic Ocean had been eating away parts of Lagos for years. The response: reclaim land from the ocean and build a modern flood-resistant city. Over 10 million square meters of land have been reclaimed. The project features a world-class drainage system, independent tower and water supply system, underground cabling, wide boulevard inspired by global financial district. This city is designed to compete with places like Dubai and Singapore, but now construction is entering a new phase. One of the most significant developments currently underway is the new embassy of the United States, Abuja linked diplomatic expansion with a major U.S. diplomatic facility project connected to Eko Atlantic Secure Zone Planning. The United States has committed hundreds of millions of dollars to strengthening its diplomatic infrastructure in Nigeria, and Eko Atlantic is part of the long-term strategic positioning. This move alone signals global confidence in the city's future. When major world power begin investing in infrastructure within a new district, it changes perception. It attracts international investors, multinational companies, high net worth residents, and it accelerates development. Connectivity is everything. A city can look beautiful, but if access is poor, growth slows down. That's why major road expansion and bridges connection linking Eko Atlantic to Victoria Island are ongoing. The improved access routes are designed to reduce traffic congestion, improve commercial flow, increase property value, integrate the city into mainstream Lagos movements. With Lagos already being Africa's largest commercial city, improving mobility in Eko Atlantic is critical, and the infrastructure being built is not temporary, it's long-term urban planning. Now, some of the luxury buildings you might not know is that luxury is becoming the identity of Eko Atlantic. One of the standard developments is Periwinkle Residence, a flagship high-rise project including Periwinkle Towers. These residential skyscrapers feature premium waterfront views, smart home integration, high-end finishing, airlight security system, private leisure amenities, and also many more. The target market is top business executives, diaspora investors, political elites, and international buyers. Property prices here are already positioning Eko Atlantic among the most expensive real estate zones in West Africa. Eko Atlantic is not just residential. The master plan includes corporate headquarters, financial institutions, luxury hotel, retail plazas, marina development. The city is projected to host over 250,000 residents and 150,000 commuters daily when fully completed. Major construction cranes remain active across multiple plots, meaning we are still in early to mid-phase development. The long-term goal is to create Africa Wall Street equivalent to right here in Lagos. And based on current progress, the skyline is beginning to reflect that ambition. For investors, Eko Atlantic represents long-term capital appreciation, dollar-dominated real estate opportunity, strategic commercial positioning. However, entry prices are not cheap. This is premium territory. The question now is not whether Eko Atlantic will grow, it's how fast it will integrate into Lagos' mainstream economy. Of course, no mega project is without criticism. Some argue it primarily serves the wealthy. It may widen economic inequality. It feels disconnected from everyday Lagos life. But others see it as necessary modernization, a global positioning move, a long-term economic catalyst. Time will determine which perspective will dominate. From ocean reclamation to mega towers rising to the skyline to diplomatic commercial investment pouring in, Eko Atlantic is no longer just an idea, it is physically taking shape. And whether you see it as an opportunity, ambition, or controversy, one thing is certain: this city is redefining what urban development looks like in Nigeria. This is the transformation and development of Eko Atlantic. If you want more updates on mega projects transforming Lagos and Africa, subscribe to the channel. This is Emmanuel Bernard.